video's running?
Video is running.
Okay, so this is one of those things that we always talk about and really don't look ever forward to doing. So this is only day 4 of the trip and my first road repair. You can see, I'm going to post some pictures, but you can see that the main pivot pin in the right-hand side of the center stand has fallen out. So we made a trip to a hardware store that didn't have any hardware, and then we asked if there's a Lowe's, good old American North Carolina Lowe's. They had one, went there, they had a bunch of different bolts. None of them were perfect, but you know, perfect is the enemy of good, and this is going to be good enough. So what I'm going to do is run the bolt through here, and so the problem that I have is that the bolt is just a little bit on the long side, so I'm going to run it through and do it a little bit basically finger tight, and I put some Loctite on there, and so the Loctite should hold it in place, and it should obviously lock down there, and that ought to get me all the way to somewhere. Like, the problem is the somewhere is not, I'm not sure about yet. So I'm going to have to go online tonight. In the manual, I have the service manual. I'm going to have to look up this part, see if I can get the part number, and then I'm going to have to figure out which person on my trip is going to be able to help me. It might be Ingo in Dusseldorf, or it might be Ben in Berlin, but those are probably my 2 only choices on account of this is a German motorcycle and those are German cities, and they should be able to call their BMW dealer and have that part delivered in 2 days. I get all my parts from Motorcycles of Charlotte. They can get me almost anything in 2 days. So I'm assuming in Germany, for crying out loud, they should be able to get them rather quickly. Anyway, there is a field fix, and we're done.